Hey everyone, Matt here. For the past 10 years, I've been on a mission to find the best side hustle to make serious money from the comfort of my home. After many failed attempts, I almost gave up on the dream of escaping the 9-to-5 grind. But then, I stumbled upon what I truly believe is the ultimate online money-making method niche: YouTube channels using AI for content creation and search engine optimization. Through countless hours of research and testing, I discovered 3 main ways to run YouTube channels. We'll explore these methods with visuals on screen. The key question is, which one will you choose? As you'll see, the earning potential is similar for each approach. The deciding factors are startup capital and workload required to reach your financial goals. Method 1. Solopreneur. This method requires a lot of work but no upfront investment. It's ideal for teenagers with plenty of free time. You'll be responsible for everything: writing, editing, voiceovers, the whole shebang. I learned everything the hard way in the beginning. Back then, I even used a cracked phone for voiceovers, not exactly professional. While this might seem like the least desirable option, there's nothing wrong with creating content yourself. I still do it for my personal channel, Make Money Matt. However, I also have automated channels running in the background using methods 2 and 3, which generate significant income. Method 2. Delegation. The second option involves outsourcing the work to freelancers. You can hire talented writers, video editors, and other professionals on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. This method requires more money upfront compared to Method 1, but it's less time-consuming. Method 3. Automation with Tube Magic. The third method is the holy grail. It combines minimal work with minimal startup capital. It's the newest and best way to tackle YouTube in 2024. When I first started on YouTube almost 10 years ago, I began with Method 1. Then, as my income grew, I graduated to Method 2. But with recent advancements in technology, I now leverage Method 3, the smartest and laziest way to make money online, by far. Deep dive into each method. Let's break down each method in detail. Method 1. Solopreneur. You'll need skills in writing, editing, and voiceovers. This method can work well if you're comfortable being on camera. I still use this method for my personal channel, Make Money Matt, but I outsource editing to keep things efficient. Method 2. Delegation. Hire freelancers for writing, editing, and voiceovers. This method requires more upfront investment compared to Method 1. Method 3. Automation with Tube Magic. Tube Magic is my software that automates many YouTube tasks. I've invested hundreds of thousands of dollars into developing it, but for a limited time, you can get access for free. The link is in the description below. Tube Magic helps with various aspects of YouTube, including finding the best niche, script writing, and video optimization. Finding your niche with Tube Magic. Here's how Tube Magic helps you find the perfect niche. I'll show you the main tools page within Tube Magic. One of the features is Niche Explorer. Niche Explorer displays profitable niches on YouTube, including some hidden gems, which are blurred out for exclusivity. You can sort niches by RPM or revenue per 1,000 views. The higher the RPM, the fewer views you need to make good money. For example, the Make Money online niche has a high RPM, meaning you can potentially make a lot of money with fewer views. Competitor research and content ideas. Let's say you choose the future business niche, which has a high RPM. We'll look at a successful channel in this niche, Venture City. By copying their channel URL, we can go back to Tube Magic's Ideation tab and use the Video Ideas feature. Paste the URL into Tube Magic and generate unlimited video ideas based on what has already worked for that channel. You can repeat this process to come up with a constant stream of high-performing content ideas.